So I've been asking myself why all of these coaches who are giving advice online about how to build a business don't talk about sustainability. Because building a business is not learning a skill and selling it. It's building a sustainable need for that skill that you have and then repeatedly making your money with that skill. Now, there are several people on social media, those coaches included, telling you that if you maybe follow a specific style of creating content or an editing style, or you post at the same time every single day, or you post the same number of posts every day, or maybe if you get very specific and double down on a niche, sell in your stories, be extremely consistent with that routine, that with enough patience, you will succeed. And yes, maybe that is true if your goal is to increase your followers or make a few bucks here and there. But if you really want to turn your hobby or that passion project or that side business you've started or that business you're about to launch into a lucrative business, that's not going to work. Because sustainability involves more than just a content creation strategy. It involves your branding and your content marketing strategy. But it also involves your marketing strategy, your email marketing strategy, your offerings, your personality, your sales strategy, your brand messaging, your messaging strategy, and your commitment to your community and your trustworthiness. Trust me, if it were as easy as posting meaningful content every day, we would all be on social media getting rich in followers and money. But it's not. It's how your brand appears to your consumer. And it's how it serves them directly and makes them feel. So if you want to build a business that's going to be here in the next decade, then stop thinking about what's trending online right now or how many followers you can get with a viral video. And consider the blueprint of your business. What is your business plan? What are your long-term goals? How are your income-producing activities getting you to those goals every single day? And the most important thing you have to ask yourself is, how is this helping my audience? When you can answer these questions, then yes, the tips that those coaches are giving you will help. But that involves a much bigger strategy to carry out to be successful, to grow your business to something that is bigger than you and bigger than you'd ever dreamed of. If you're interested in learning more about my one-on-one coaching program to help you build sustainability in your business, I've linked it down below in the description. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. I will see you on the next one.